Hey, happy Friday, everybody. If you're a home care agency owner and you're looking for help with digital marketing, ask yourself this question. In the last week, how many leads did you get from your website? How many caregivers did you recruit from your website? If the answer is less than five, then I have a free download for you called the Ultimate Marketing Home Care Checklist. This thing has over 150 questions for you to analyze maybe your website. Could it look better? Could it work better to be able to get more traffic? What about social media? How's your social media game? Or maybe even how's your email marketing or your recruiting? All these things. Should I be doing pay per click? Or is organic with blogging just the way to go? Those answers are in this checklist. And if you realize that you're not doing everything you could do and you need some help, make sure you book a free strategy session with me today. Everybody have a good weekend. We'll talk to you soon.
Be strong.